Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar door sill entry guards available for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now, the door sill entry guards are available in two different versions. We have a black plastic version as well as a polished stainless steel version. No matter which you choose for your Gladiator, both will come in a set of four, two for the front doors and two for the rear doors. Now, if we start by taking a look at the black plastic version of our door sill entry guard, we see we've got a great raised Gladiator logo in the center. We also have a raised diamond pattern throughout that's going to match some of the other patterns we'll see on the Gladiator elsewhere, like right here on our running boards. And the back of the door sill guard actually curves up the entry of our door sill just a bit here. Now, if we take a look at the stainless steel version of the entry guard, again, we're going to see a great raised Gladiator logo. This time, it's going to be a polished logo. And then instead of that raised diamond pattern, this time we've got an acid etched diamond pattern on here, again, to match some of the patterns we see elsewhere on the Jeep Gladiator. Now, no matter which one you choose, both of them are going to offer some protection to your door sill area here from scuffs and scratches, which are very prone in this area if you're dragging your feet over as you're getting in and out of your Jeep. However, neither of them will impede the action of opening or closing your door, nor will they affect the performance of your door seals, keeping water and the other elements out of your Jeep. Now, both of them install very easily thanks to the pre-installed double-sided tape on the back side of the guards here. If we start by taking a look at the installation procedures for our stainless steel guard, we actually need to start by grabbing a ruler and measuring 69 millimeters from this body panel back. I like to use a piece of painter's tape to mark that edge on our door sill. We also need to measure 15 millimeters in from the outside of our body, again, marking that edge with some painter's tape. Then we can go ahead and clean the area with an alcohol prep pad. We want to wait about 5 minutes for all of the alcohol to evaporate away. And then we just want to verify that we've got the correct door sill guard by looking at the sticker on the back side. LH stands for left hand or driver's side, and then RH for the right hand side of the vehicle. We can go ahead and peel back just about an inch or so of the backing paper on the double-sided tape. The little starter tabs here will help you get those pulled back. And then line up the guard with the edge of the two pieces of painter's tape you put in place. Ensure that you've got an even gap between the back edge of the sill guard and the door sill. Then we can go ahead and pull the red tape one at a time, applying some firm pressure to the area of the tape to ensure we've got a good seal. And that's all it takes to install the driver's side front. Moving on to the rear door sill. Again, we need to grab that ruler and we need to measure 42.5 millimeters forward of the body line this time. Again, I like to go ahead and mark that with some painter's tape. Again, you'll want to clean that door sill really well with the alcohol prep pad that's included in the kit. And after verifying that you do have the correct door sill guard for the side of the vehicle that you're working on, we can go ahead and peel back about an inch of each of the red backing tapes. And then we want to align that guard with the edge of the painter's tape we placed. And then just simply align the back edge of the guard where the curved piece of the door sill stops. Then we can go ahead and pull each tape one at a time, applying firm pressure again to fully seat and get a good seal with that tape. Now, moving on to our black plastic guards, they actually install even easier than our stainless steel version of the guards, thanks to the fact that they've got a little arrow molded right into the side edge of the guard there that we can simply line up with the edge of our sheet metal here. And because the back edge curves up, well, we can push it right against the back of the door sill. Again, you want to follow those same procedures, making sure you clean the area thoroughly with the included alcohol pad before peeling the backing paper off of the double stick tape. And on the back guard for our rear door, again, we've got another arrow molded into the side that makes installation very easy. Now, if you guys want to purchase either the black plastic door sill guards or the stainless steel version of the door sill entry guards from Mopar for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the guards or how to get them installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.